Cancer Journey Sharing in the Face of Survivorship, Breast Cancer, to be presented by Miss Florence Rodriguez.
Hello everyone! Magandang araw po sa lahat ng Cancer Crusaders Club. Ako po si Florence Rodriguez from Santa Cruz, Laguna and a teacher by profession. I was diagnosed with breast tumor way back October 2016. At first, hindi po naging madali sa akin na tanggapin ang result ng test na ginawa sa akin ng aking doktor sa aming province. Siyempre po, nakakabigla dahil bigla ko na dinadiscover ang bukol sa right breast ko. Takot at pag-iyak po ang naibabaw sa akin that time, knowing cancer is a dangerous disease. Ipinaliwanag naman po na ako mag-undergo breast surgery. Pero after a couple of days, na-realize ko na I need to be strong to seek solution to my health problem. I need to be treated. Kinausap ko po ang aking pamilya and we decided to have a second opinion in Manila. But the problem is, wala po kaming kilalang doktor at kung saang hospital and clinic kami pupunta. I prayed sincerely like I used to whenever I need for guidance. Then suddenly, my co-teacher who learned about my situation talked to me and said if I want to, she can recommend a doctor who is specialized in case like mine and the one who also operated on her. The name of that doctor is no other than our good and God-fearing Dr. Ray Hudson. She gave me the clinic address, and the following day I went to Manila and asked my daughter to search the name of Dr. Ray so that we can ask for an appointment. So I met Dr. Ray personally and about to hand him the result of the examination and test I went through. But he said, "Let me examine you first before reading the paper you have." After the examination of my right breast, he talked to me and read my papers. They have the same findings and told me that he need to remove my right breast. That time, what we want is to have my immediate treatment. There's no choice but to go under blades. So Dr. Ray scheduled my surgery. It was a successful one and then another drowning my heart because I will wait for the biopsy result of the flesh removed from me. I'm so tearful then after receiving the result of the biopsy. Not tears of sadness but tears of joy that I will not undergo chemotherapy on my stage 2, my stage 2A, alam niyo na po yun. I was only given tamoxifen for 10 years and a monthly checkup, then reduced to every other month, to every 6 months, until he cut the medication on my 9th year. God is really gracious and merciful that until now, I'm on my feet and counting more like many of you who are gathered today in this event. Napakaswerte po natin, may doctorate po tayo na patuloy na gumagabay at nagpe-pray para sa atin. Let us pray for one another to surpass and to be victorious in our health journey. And prayers also that our God grant Dr. Ray long life to guide us. Of course naman, magre-relax din ang ating butihing Dr. Ray. Thank you po, Dr. Ray Hudson. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. May we all have a Merry Christmas. God bless and love you all. Kayo pong aking inspirasyon. Seeing you all on your feet gives me strength. God bless again.